Hello people, welcome to my channel. I'm outside. I don't spend my time at home and it's good weather. It's very soft. It's very nice. Even cloudy. It's going to be rain, I think. But I'm outside and I want to show you how I go to fast food restaurants and I will take a coffee. I try to go out as possible, and when I have free time I try to go out, and I want to show you surroundings. It's a water channel, in order to all water from living spaces go to this channel. It's clever. It's Love Point, their sports center, this track and field, some other sport fields, and this is very beautiful view. Trees, it's very calm and it's very beautiful, really very beautiful despite of all next to building which were built in late 70s, 1970s, but block of flats. I don't think you can see. They're clever buildings, but very ugly. And I'm not going to back to my previous habits, my previous lifestyle. It was not harmful to me or some bad habits. Just I choose this way, to use easier way to be healthy, and I think that easy way works and I need to use it. I want to use it. I'm perfectly adapted to cold weather now, even it's softer a little bit than previous days, but I don't feel any uncomfortable. I chose necessary shoes, put on necessary clothes and move on walking out, and I will not stop even if it's going to be frozy and snowy weather. I will show you later because it's coming anyway. And today I'm going to show you to share with you my experience, how I stopped to eat fast food which harms me really, and for example for my liver, for my kidneys, and I will share you with you my experience, because it's necessary to understand that you can go to any place to eat, but you need to choose food for your health, not just for shovel into your stomach and so-called get enjoyment. It's wrong for your health, but of course if you get used to eat it, so it's very difficult to refuse from this, because it's habit and you get satisfaction from doing this, and your brain reminds you that you need to do it because I like it, and you follow your brain. So I will share my experience, how I just go there and drink coffee, nothing more, because I don't want to eat any free potatoes or nuggets, but in previous time I like that food very much. And of course I talk about first step. The first step is the most difficult, because you need to start moving. Before this, I think you don't think of it. You don't think of that. So the first step is the most difficult step, because you need to get used to walk before, to move a little bit before you get into the restaurant, or you bite when you drive, when you sit in your car, near the window you can get food. I will show you one more place, very nice stones and crying tree, water, and even a bridge made of concrete like stones. It's very nice. It's all one idea. Mostly I'm in one architectural design, but it's a little bit far from my living place, but it's very beautiful. Because it's the easiest way to get food. Just order into the car and drive away. But of course, when you get such high calories food, you need to lose it. But you are not a stair runner. You are not climbing in the mountain, and you cannot lose such kind of calories. And all your food, especially if you order oily, boiled in oil food, all your oil and extra eating of flour making products like bread, like some cakes, muffins, all these calories deposit in your legs, belly, arms, everywhere. It depends on your body form. So that is a problem, and it's the most difficult way to burn this fat oil to burn this fat. And you eat fast, you get calories fast, you save your extra oil, extra fat in your body. But in order to spend this fat, you need 2 months for very good physically prepared person. But if you never went to any gym and you never did any exercises, it would be difficult for you to lose it, and mostly impossible. That's the main reason that you gain your kilos, pounds, weight. And of course, first step, before ordering, just get out of your car and walk a little bit. Walk a little bit, not much. And this is natural. This is beautiful. Ducks, bears, nice bridge. So it's very nice. Watch it and enjoy it.